Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for a high-performing all-season tire, you want to check out these from Continental.
So this is the Continental ExtremeContact DWS06 PLUS. This is an ultra high performance tire and it is designed for all season. And what we have noticed about it is that it is awesome in both dry and really wet conditions. So we live in a place where we don't have a major winter where we would want to have specific winter tires, but we do get a ton of rain and these tires really grip the road. They have a really nice tread, gives you really great traction and really good handling, and we found that they just wear really well and we've been super happy with their performance. So we have this on a high performance sedan and they really fit the bill and they've done an awesome job. So we really love them and really feel confident when we are on the road using these tires.
So since these wear great and have performed super well, we have had more than one set and keep coming back to them. So we would definitely recommend them, and that's my point of view.